Hello everybody. Welcome back. Give me 1 second. I'm not quite done. I'm finishing up a turkey sandwich I've made right before stream, and it's taking a second to actually eat. So give me 1 more second, and then we'll start. All right, be right back. All right, everyone. I'm back up again. Sorry about that. Yeah, maybe a little longer than I was expecting. So anyways, snacks aside, let me slip my gloves on. We should be good to go. Also, if you see crumbs on my shirt, you now know why. Speaking of which, let me move the plate. 1 minute. I still so it's not clattering in your ears. Alright, everybody, I am back. Sorry for the delay there. Whew. That was a minute. There we go. Hello. So, one thing I noticed yesterday while I was streaming, well, after stream, I suppose, is, my, camera wasn't quite, tilted correctly. That's part of why you couldn't hardly ever see me. That, and I was slouched like this the entire time, or half the time. Well, majority of the time, honestly. And, so that's why you probably had some hard time seeing me. Other than that, I did... One second, let me do this real quick. That was the wrong one. I meant to do this one, but fuck it. Hello. Well, I'll just go ahead and do this. I didn't send out a link to my, stream. Give me one second. Let me put the link right here. Paste and post. There we go. And close out of everything now. Gotta fix this. Oh, that's all I have open. Damn, okay. We can bring it back now. And as I don't remember what I was saying, but I'll tell you this now. I figured out some things. One of which was I opened up my my project last night while I was calling my friends, and let's see. I figured out what went wrong. So yesterday, as you'll recall, shit, damn it, what's that? Yesterday, as you'll recall, what the hell did I click on? That was weird. I was having difficulty in my project because every time I hit the jump button, or I landed on a platform rather, fucking get over here, bastard. Every time I landed on a platform, it'd make it to where there was a delay between when I landed and when I was able to jump again, because I was like smashing this jump button. You probably saw how it wasn't jumping. Like, I wasn't jumping every time I hit the space jump button, what have you, whenever I tried to jump, right? And I couldn't figure out for the life of me what the fuck was going on. All right, and so I figured out, I fixed it, first of all. Yay, I can actually jump as soon as I land and stuff. Oh, let me actually do this so you can see for certain what I'm talking about. Max jump 1. Start it now. So as you can see, pretty much as soon as I land, I can jump again, right? And before I couldn't. So I figured out what the problem was. The problem wasn't that the code was lacking or anything, because I knew that couldn't have been the case, because code runs way faster than you think it does. It has to execute the entirety of the code every single frame of the game. Otherwise I wouldn't be able to get hardly anything running ever. Right? So the issue was, after looking at my own code, all I needed to do, oh, let me see if I can find the fucking spot. I had to add an equal sign right here. That was it. That was the entirety of the bug fix. Was I had just added an equal sign. Because, as you can tell here, if jump number is greater than 0, I need to make the jump number equal max jump. And then jump number is minus equal 1. So essentially what was happening is that it wasn't that there was a delay, is that the game was waiting for me to jump button, hit it once before I actually was able to jump. Because it made the counter go up. It wouldn't let me do it beforehand because I need that number to be above the other number when I needed it to be either above or equal to. So after a bit of moving around for a bit, I was thinking, like, can I figure out the timing of it? Because I kept doing the jumping thing as like an experiment, right? And then I tried to move left and right to see if maybe it was an input thing, like maybe some input other than jumping was like any input beforehand was causing it. Then I realized if I hit jump after a while, just going back and forth, nothing would happen until I hit jump a second time. So I knew it had to do with the jump key. So I was like, what the fuck? And I looked in, and then after thinking about it, realized, bam, I just needed to add an equal sign. So now the jumping is fixed. It's crazy just how simple stuff like that can cause bugs to appear in your games. Just something so minor, so minute as a fucking equal sign in one piece of one part of code can create such like disastrous consequences and like annoying like problems, you know? But, you know, it's fine. We got worked out. We managed to fix it. So, that's what I did last night. I'd also added like a function that translated the when I hit left or right into like actual text. But I don't really, I'm not using this right. I could just delete this. This was just the bug fix, really, or test, so I could have a better grasp as to whether or not it was facing left or right. If I place this here, that's not right. That's better, but not quite. There you go. And now if I hit play, you can see that if I hit left or right, left, facing left, right, facing right. So, you know, that's just my way of bug fixing a little bit. So, anyways, I got that working. Jumping is great now. I need to make if I can, I just registered a possible way of doing it. Yeah, I was trying to think to myself, there's gotta be a way I can make it to where if I am late jumping, I can have like an amount of time in which I can jump after I fall off the ledge. That way it feels a bit better to do that. So I think I thought of a way of doing this. I need to put it in jump plus double jump logic. Hold on. And hold on, what should I do this variable? Fall delay. Fall input delay. Let me do this real quick. Fall input. Excuse me. Delay equal to 10. Which should be super generous here. All right. Hold on, one second. One second, good lord. Give me 1 second. Oh, bless me. Oh, shit, I didn't mute. Fuck. Nah, I had to take off my mask so I could sneeze. Sorry. Huh. I thought I'd mute it back again. Sorry. Fuck. Alright. Lock in. If at all possible. Alright. There we go. Much better. Oh, man. Well, let me go through my own code for a second. I'm on the floor, and I press up, and I don't know what's greater than 0. Yeah, I can jump. This is a double jump. Double. Oh. Okay. If shit, hold on. That's not gonna work immediately. Let's do shit, I have to think about this. So I press up and I am on the floor. Make it to where jump number is greater than 0. Jump number is equal to max. And if jump number is greater than 0, jump number, is equal to max jump. Jump. So I think I have to make a new system. Of a so if I do if not is on 4. Then I set the fall delay minus equal to 1. Wait, can I do hold on, there was a thing I used earlier. What was it called? It's the move towards function. Equal to move toward delay 0 1. Oh, that's a lot. Fuck. There we go. Let's see. Go. Let's see. Well, let me actually run the test real quick. First of all, delete this. We don't need that shit right now. Print. Make sure this is even working to begin with. Input delay. Is there an until thing? No. Okay, how about this? If fall the delay is greater than 0, print so yeah. Okay, that works. Okay, so let's try and plug this in an actual thing we can use. Then if not is on 4 and fall input delay equal to 0 or greater than 0, Uh, if input dot is action pressed, move up. I could just do this and pressed up. Then to jump velocity. Should I do the jump number thing too? Yeah. Equal to 1. Okay, we're good. Let's make this like a fucking 60 thing. Alright, that's right. I'm making this frame specific, frame dependent instead of time dependent. Let me if output delay is greater than 0, print ball delay. Okay. That's why it's not working. Figured it out. Because it's not being reset. Else ball delay is equal to ball delay, I guess. I'm curious about this now. Okay, I didn't know what this would do. Ball input time. Ball input time. There we go. There we go. How do I do this? I'm curious. What happens here? Oh damn. That does weirdly work. There we go. Is there a simulate? Uh. There's like, I think there's a simulate button press thing I can do. 1 second. Oh, that's not right. Yeah, light, simulate movement. Maybe I'm wrong about this. Okay. Now let's drop that back down to 10, say. And then I did. Let me see if this runs right again. Hell yeah. Let's get that working. Okay. Now, what should we do next, huh? All her movement's done. Right. Isn't there a way I can make a function that the end line only gets ran once? I don't know what I wanted. Let's see. How to make a function only run once. Function. I don't know what that means. I'm gonna say specify. See. Alright. That's what I was trying to do. There with modulars. Okay, sorry, I'm getting distracted. I have an idea. Oh, that's good. Let's see if maybe we can change the color to something a little more bouncy looking. Pink. Do pink. There you go. Go ahead and add a bouncy 4. It's not right. This. I never saved it. Hold on a second. Now we add it in. That's 0 bounce property. It acts just like a normal 4. Alright, let's say this and bam, it's a 4. Loves your uncle. What did you expect? But I'm going to give it properties. Where? Oh, bouncy 4. I'm going to attempt to use signals. Great. So I need to connect this. Insured. Input event. I can fuck with that. Let's see what I can do with that. Wait, entry. Maybe I do it with another thing, like the foreclosure, maybe? Well, for certain there was a signal that made to where it would detect if it got interacted with. I just gotta say, I'm actually open a simple project because I know I fucked with this before, but I don't remember how I did it. With the project list. Is using this, and we did fuck around with signals on it there. But the question is, what the hell did we do? Where's the signals? Function bit.emit. What does this mean? Set deferred? Save as given property at the end of the current frame. Calling set through call deferred. Await get tree dot process frame. What the fuck is await do? Set indexed. Let's see. So the dot emit emits this signal. All variables connected. This signal will be triggered. Methods supports variable number of arguments. So parameters can be passed as a comma separated list. That means each connection is represented as a dictionary that contains 30 entries. Available. Okay. Fuck. Right, station names. Sprite frame stock animations was probably the thing I was looking for earlier. Just gonna take a minute to figure out. So it emits the signal, but what do I do with this signal here? Oh, I got this again. It's a rigid body 2D. But how the fuck does it detect it? I don't see that. I don't see it anywhere on here, actually. You can see where this is emitting to. More tower. Okay, how do we get the game over function going? I looked through. I don't see it anywhere. What the fuck? It's here. Look, half these signals are just going to absolutely fucking nothing. So this is emitting a signal called hit. On. No? Really? Fuck. It's just nonsense. Okay. This is probably just some advanced shit I just don't get yet. Let's just look at hit maybe. said on hit, right? So it says on body entered. Body. Yeah, here. Source body entered target player. What? Who's it targeting the player? Pause it, yes, I'm burning up. Let me go put my fan on me real quick. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that. I'm burning up. Excuse me, Mr. Mike. I kind of need to like over here. There we go. That's a bit better. I don't remember what the fuck I was doing during this. I was following a tutorial, but apparently I didn't do a good job of actually explaining what the fuck's going on. I don't remember how the fuck these signals work. Or why these are even written this way. I got my own beef with the tutorials they fucking give you. But this one I feel was pretty egregious, all things considered. I don't even remember why we made a group called Mobs. Okay, let's just head back to the projects and put the project list, save and close, and then I guess we'll figure it out. Let's look up signal emission so I can figure this out a bit better. Where are you? Just signals. What was it? Let's call it our virtual body 2D. Okay, so body entered. Look for this body 2D or time occurs first. Are to be set to true. Okay. I'm not on the right project. I did it again. Damn it! Hold on a second. This, I guess. Why can I not do this? You have rigid body, right? Static body. My bad. There we go. Really? There's nothing. Oh shit. Hold on. How to detect with the window. Maybe off the collision shape. Clarity, yeah, whatever. Okay. Way to free itself. That's not a bad idea. What? So you simply have to go. Contact monitor to crew. Connect the rigid body. Well, it's rigid. It doesn't have that, right? That's that body. Sorry. I need to add that to bench then. Possibly. Shit. I'm probably just gonna have to add a area 2D node to it. Plus 2. Sorry. Hear my dad sneezing. Let's see. Node. Already answered. There you have it. Huh. I guess connect. Uh, 2D connect to script. Advanced maybe? No. How did I do this? Specify a valid method or attach. You pick. Oh, that. This maybe? How the fuck do I connect this? Okay. I'm gonna try this out, see what happens. Trans. One. I've actually never gave it a shape, did I? Spectre, Area 2D. Excuse me. There's no shape, so I can't call it a collision shape 2D, I guess. Alright. The shape is going to be a rectangle. Put that there. And then this. And now let's play it. Let's see what this does. That's not doing anything. Let's do a mit dot touch. Keypad touch. No. Shit. TV signals. Okay, then I guess I need to set monitor to true. How do I set monitor to true? Oh, it's already on. Okay, so why are you being finicky? I need to detect specifically this on. To the area enters. Area shape enter I could try. Wait, what did that say? Shit. No. Hold on. Fuck. You. Shape index, color shape owner. Oh, that sucks. That did. Could be a physics 2D tile set as 2. The shade index and area shape index contain indices. Contains the RID of the the shade 2D node from the shape index. equals other shape owner. What the fuck? I'm gonna try this, I guess. Pass. Okay, what the fuck? Alright. Area 2D is a child node, so static by 2D, ensuring it has. Let me try something else. Pass. Print. Right. So if I do this, nothing's gonna happen. Amazing. I'm curious what happens if I... Let's make a new scene. Like this. I cannot create this. What the fuck? 2D. Why can I not select this? What? Can't select. Good. In a bad body too. That's what it was, I think. Maybe. What the fuck is happening? Like, half the shit doesn't exist or doesn't work. Fuck you 2D, I guess. Why can I not do physics by 2D? Where the fuck is kinematic body? For that name. Okay, so character body 2D is kinematic body 2D. If that's the case... Jason Mills, Uh. Okay. You maybe? Three. Fucking hell. Why is this so hard? How to... Your character touches base 2D. Fuck you. Area 2D. Why is it not doing anything? Why is it not saying anything when it gets touched? What are these warnings? Perimeter. How about if area body shape entered, I guess, or body entered? Huh? Nope, still nothing. Oh no, I didn't delete you. Still not returning anything. Instead, shape entered maybe? Rats. Touched maybe? Still nothing? Goodness gracious. Excuse me. Such and such. Oh wait, there's way too much shit. Hold on. How to detect if a entered and 2D. Fuck you. I ain't a bot, you bastard! Oh, it's like, oh man, you're looking up too much shit, are you, fucking loser? Shut up. I'm trying my best here. I'm trying my little heart out. Get the body enter signal to a function in your script. This can be the function will see the body that entered is an argument. Okay. This area is France. Two. France. Touched. No, fuck you. We're doing this shit. Alright, answered. Guess I'll ask it maybe. What this is. Hey. If group different. Hold on. No. Okay, it's a difference between that and that, I guess. Oh, body entered. That's okay. That's different from area entered. Fuck. You disconnect. If body entered, that's where part of my confusion came from. If body is print. Fuck. Yeah, we did it. get rid of that. Uh, emit signal. My answer, I guess. uh, Let me think. To connect a sig to a node and another scene. There you go. Address can be set. A set of cells defined, solar delegates. Well, it shows how to connect them. Target instance. Connect intertree. What? The script that has a timer signal clock ready timer signal okay. Connect. Access. This is so confusing. That's a step-by-step thing I was doing earlier. How to... I'm just gonna say fuck it. Clear. Connect. Okay, so area bouncy variable player. Let's look at this again. Name. To get. Fuck. There we go. Dot. Get. Get node. Move path. What? Let's do print player name, see what it brings us. Huh. It brings us fucking jack shit because it crashed immediately. Okay, let's get rid of that real quick. Object null. Thank you so much for doing absolutely fucking nothing. Alright, bounce zone. Parents. Node. Still around, okay. Oh wait, hold on, I did the capitalization wrong. Nope, still fucking nothing. Okay, it's a 15-minute video. I'm not watching that right now. Is this the man himself? No, okay, that's a different guy. Okay, platforms. Let's see. What class out? Scenes. Where's that? Yes, yeah. That do anything? Fucking nothing. Scenes. Yeah. You know what? Fuck it. This tends to be okay. Okay. You love it or hate it, dude. AI is gonna explain shit a lot of times. Sometimes it just fucks stuff up entirely. Sometimes it hallucinates and gives you the wrong answer altogether. As long as I just copy and paste, and I don't mind using this to just figure out what the fuck's going on. Because a lot of times it's really good at compiling information that you have to look through a billion fucking things to get the simple goddamn answer you want. Because everyone and their mother wants to overcomplicate shit. And hell, that's my fault. I don't know this stuff. Well, I guess it's not my fault I don't know this stuff, but you get what I mean. It's like, a lot of the stuff people are saying is going over my head because I don't know what you're talking about. Okay. Okay, awesome. I'm really good at telling you shit in layman's terms. It expects you to be a layman. Typically. Okay, so on side of zones or speed boosts are reliable. Order issues and works well even with multiple areas. With simple overriding. Okay. Area 2D. I already did that. It's already nailed by default, so the collision max should be okay. On body entered if body is in group. Wide dot loss. Okay. C dot is equal to jump velocity. Let's rename it to bounce velocity because we're gonna redefine it here, I think. Bounce. Let's see. Equal to 1000. So I use this 1-to-1, but I think I may have to do vector 2. So it's good to know that though I may not have the, not use. What? No, I cannot. I'm just gonna set this to this, I guess. Oh, that makes it go to the right. I need to go up. let's say fuck it. This isn't gonna do anything, so if body is vector 2, oh wait, how's that? Uh, okay, so this is the meat and potatoes. Okay. Blah blah blah. Hmm. What happens if I just do this? Oh, I didn't like that apparently. What the fuck happened? Oh, hold on. Invalid assignment of property or key vector 2 with value. Okay, let's go ahead and get rid of you and just say pass. Let's do underscore delta just so I can get rid of the errors there so it doesn't muddy everything up. So this insta crashes it, but what's going on here? Okay. I already did that with underscore delta. Whatever. This is the thing that caused it. On by insert invalid assignment. 2. I'm just doing this just to see if this actually works first. All right. So let's see if this actually works. Okay. Print velocity. Rad. What does this say? It's not doing anything.
Wait, hold on. Nope, still nothing. There's a group. Not true if this node got the signals in there, so they're 2D node. Exit resets to 0. The fuck are you talking about? I don't think this is right. Retry with the character to the node. Let's see what happens here. Where's the bench now? Okay. Okay, let's see what happens if I do this. I'm just gonna do this and put it in and see what happens. Okay. Equal to get tree. Dots get first node in group. Fetch. Print. Oh, object null. Okay. Well, I guess I did set to null or whatever. Use group. Fucking get rid of this, I guess. Okay, let's just do this. I'm gonna delete this after I'm done with this. Just this. I just want to see if this works. It works. Okay, I don't need any of this. I'm just gonna do this down here so that I know what's different. What the fuck is going on here? I guess this. There you go, I guess. Area 2D. What the hell changed here? Okay. I don't know why they changed that. Coffee. fuck is happening? Oh, at least I figured out her legs are slightly longer in this one than this one. I need to fix that. They ever use Vector 2 other than these specific cases? Nope, not really. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know what's going on with this. It's acting really fucking weird. So I'm just gonna remove this. I'll just figure it out later. Let's see here. Get rid of that. Sorry about that. It shivers. I'm gonna do this. Controls. Oh. Oh wait, hold on. Fuck, how was I doing this? Is it like that? Okay, fix this. Yeah, let's pick 4. 3 maybe? Yeah, 3's fine. I'm just prettying it up. Okay. Good. Yeah. Two, 3. One, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, I could just get rid of this. I have no use for this anymore. See. Variables. Stop. There we go. There we go. Look at that beauty. Oh. So now, you can very quickly identify what's what. More or less. Oh boy. Alright. Well, I guess that's enough for me today. Trying to figure out that bouncy platform, but I don't know how to deal with that yet. It has to do with signals, and that's just a whole mess of confusion. I don't even know where to start with that stuff. But I'll figure it out. We'll work on it some more tomorrow. But for now, we'll let it be. I think we did good regardless. You know, we tried. We gave it our all. But yeah. We did manage to get the delay on the jump thing when you start falling off working. So if you start falling, you have a little bit of time to recover before you Oh, this is not. No, it wasn't letting me do that. So if you're like falling off a ledge or something, you have a little bit of time to jump. You see, like I was like fully off of it there, but it's only a little bit of time. Oh wait, oh, did I bring back the issue earlier? Where are you? No? Why is it working? Oh, wait. Did I bring a new issue? Hold on. I have a new issue now. I'm gonna fix this before I end it. See, now I'm having to do it. Secondary jump. Okay, what did I do to cause this? I'm glad I tested this before I left. Defaults to 1. Yeah, I need to reposition some stuff. Let me try this. How is that? If move up and it's on the floor, then if jump number is greater or equal to 0, jump. Let me start doing some commenting, see if I can figure this out. Okay, that has to do with that line of code right there. But why? It has to do with that? Oh wait, hold on. Yeah, control that. Now let's do let me just make sure it's this specific spot, right? Yeah. But why is it that specific spot? Uh. Is let's just ignore that entirely or get rid of that entirely. Or actually, jump number. Put it below. No. Yeah. Why is it working here but not there? I need it to remove a jump number from it. Otherwise, we're gonna have more than one jump if I time it right. No. Oh wait, hold on. Where's the thing? Fuck, hold on. Ugh. Yes, okay, this is it. Okay, yeah, let me just put this over here. If jump number equal to 0, 1. There we go. That's the wrong way. Hold on. Why is it doing that? No, it's still, what the fuck, what the actual fuck is happening? What is causing this? Yeah. Let's do more than one. Let's do a triple jump. Why can I not triple jump now? Oh my gosh, hold on. Okay, wait, I can't do the triple jump now. Uh... I guess let's do this. Hold on, let me do one more thing. France. Number. Uh, excuse me, sir, what? Here, let me do something that'll actually make this a lot easier to test. Fucking do this. Okay. I think we're good. Do I know for a fact that it works great now? I don't know. But fact of the matter is, I think if it takes actually, let's try this. Let's bump it back down to 10. Actually, 8. Okay, I think that's better. Anyways, we did it. Sort of, kind of. We didn't never got the bounce pad to work because we have to deal with signals, and signals, I am not knowledgeable enough on those. I need to watch like a video or something because that's like way above my pay grade. And my pay grade is currently $0.00. So, anyways, that was at least not more. It's a learning experience. A learning experience being, I don't know what the fuck I'm doing. So, with that being said, thank you all so much for watching. I'll see y'all again tomorrow. Today is Sunday. It doesn't matter. I'm gonna be here for the next like 5 days anyways. Well, I'm not gonna be here for New Year's. Well, maybe I'll be here for New Year's. I don't know. Anyways, we'll figure that out. We'll cross that bridge when we come to it. I'll see you guys then. Around. Maybe. Possibly. I don't know. I'll shut up now. Bye, guys. Oh, actually, I turned it off here now. Get 1 second. Makes things a little quicker. I say as I fumble through this trying to find the fucking button. There we go. Good night, everybody.